This is him. Okay. He tried to run, but because his mom over there in front of him around 6 meters. You see, he tried his best. Look at the hand of the baby, and look at the hand of the big boy monkey who catch his tail. So baby cannot go. But I think he's hungry because he needs a breast feeding or a meal from his mom. I think we should allow him to get a breast feeding or to meet his mom and try to keep him. Again. This over there is wow. The big boy monkey is sit down. Oh, almost. Wow, no, boy. Now the baby is under his chest. Just show you guys to see the baby's food. Look at the big boy monkey here. What are you doing? Everyone runs. You guys will see his mom. That is his mom over there. You see the baby one, but impossible to cross the way. The mom over there. The baby run away from him. He often do like that. Going. No, be careful with the baby. The baby still belongs to him. You guys can see the tail. Wow, very dangerous. There's the baby over there, and the other one is stay here also. I want you guys see the baby with the pinipper here. The baby scares. Okay, see this crying. Very dangerous with this one. Oh no. Want you guys see the baby clearly or stay there place. Wait a minute. Okay, this is the baby. And that is the other one want to pick the baby also. You can see very tall. Now you can see dangerous here. We claim with this man. That is his man. The mom is under the tree near him also, but just him stay upstairs and mother stay downstairs. I'll see him again. This is him with the baby. Baby scares. We had the baby crying because he feel scared and afraid he fell down. Electronic connection. Okay, now he's coming down. He's right here. That's okay, everything. Baby is okay. You guys can see him. is sitting now. Here Ram is looking at him, run to his home. Let's